Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Jswag here, back for a brand new video, and today we're doing something a little bit different than I'd usually do. Today we're going to be reviewing the Unturned 2 Devblog number 18. We've been waiting about 2 months and change for this, a little bit longer than that, and today looks like we just have a short video, a 2-minute video on what Nelson's been working on for the last 2 months, as well as an engine update coming for 3.0 next week apparently, so maybe higher FPS and stuff like that. But we're going to click right into the video and we're going to get straight into this. I'm going to give you guys my honest opinion on everything that I see here, and hopefully there's some cool stuff added, so let's check it out. Alright guys, let's get straight into the video right here.
First up, let's take a peek at dual wielding. The code's much cleaner now, and while the pistol is the only one-handed item at the moment, you will be able to use two different items, say a revolver and knife, at the same time.
So basically what we're seeing here in the first few seconds is Nelson added Akimbo Weapons, meaning you could have two weapons at once. Looks like in this video he's holding two Cobras at the same time, the same model and everything, and you could see that when he shoots the bullets fly off this little AI thing that he added here. That's really sick actually. So as you shoot, they fall off, as well as the ammo actually falling out of the weapon, the cartridges and stuff like that. And he's breaking windows, which is be very nice to actually see for the first time, because we never had windows in cars in Unturned at all. So that's a very cool feature added. I really like this little AI thing right here for the ammo, instead of the actual numbers and stuff like that in the little corner right here. Let's continue into it.
You may also notice the improved ammo widgets. Out of the box, Unreal doesn't have support for 2D particle systems, so I've built one as part of the UI reworks. The new ammo widgets are using this particle system, whereas the ones I showed previously were animated. I think this style of ammo display will be really helpful when you have multiple bullet types in your magazine.
Okay, so let's review that. I really like the way that the ammo is showcased here. Even with the shotgun, it has little slugs. For the pistol, it has a little pistol ammo, like 9mm shots. I'm guessing for the sniper, it would have like, I don't know what type of ammo it would take, 7.62. It would have 5.56 for the assault rifles, little animation, little pictures on the guns. I actually like that a lot. And what we're looking at right now is looking to be, I guess these are the placement for zombies, so let's watch this.
To ensure the game's mod support will be robust, I've decided to convert Horde Mode into a mod. This helped work out the kinks in a few systems that I might otherwise have realized would be unfriendly to modders.
So, before we get into this next part, it looks like Horde Mode is back, and it's getting there. I mean, it's getting polished up, I guess. He needs to make the actual renderings for the characters and the zombies and stuff like that, but it looks pretty good thus far. And I'm guessing this is a, like, mini game-ish thing. I'm not sure. This is Blast Range 1.
Along with Horde Mode, I also started a fun little mod game mode called Blast Lane, with potentially obvious inspirations. Again, to help lay the groundwork for modding, I worked on several features for team modes, like team-specific doors and allowing friendly bullets through teammates. This is
So, okay, what Nelson is hinting about a lot in this video is mod support, and a lot of the stuff has been with mods so far. So far, you've had the Horde Mode and this Blast Lane game that he's been making. So I'm guessing mod support is going to be very crucial in 4.0 or Unturned 2.
Used in Horde Mode to allow zombies in, but not allow players out. Building on this, I finalized Unturned's usage of the stencil buffer with 2 bits to spare. Planning ahead, heat vision has always been popularly requested.
So what we're seeing right here, Nelson just said heat vision is popularly requested, so I'm guessing this is what a car would look like through heat vision. I'm not sure really what I'm looking at. I'm not 100%, but I don't know.
So 1 bit is used to mask heat vision objects. 1 bit for interaction focus, 2 bits for team affiliation, and 2 bits for controller ID. I think storing the controller ID was clever, because it lets you see team outline on other players, but not yourself. And in split screen, you only see your own interaction highlights. I've been continuing the UI transition to Slate. It's been interesting.
Okay, before we get into this next part, we're going to take a moment to look at the actual UI for the menus and stuff like that. It looks like a lot of stuff's been added. You see here, there's Xbox controller support. It says Xbox One controller, then you have X, Y, U, and then A for jump.
Coming to a balance between performance and keeping it easily adjustable in UMG. Player settings have now mostly been moved to per player profiles, so in split screen you can easily swap out settings like field of view or controls per controller. I'm undecided between the smoother gradient style and flat color style in the old menus, so I'd be interested to know your thoughts on that.
So this is the new menu. Okay, let's take a look at this. Crouch. Okay, you could actually bind your stuff. That's nice. That's nice. Equipment. So we got lean left, lean left and right, move forward, backward, right, left, prone, crouch. Use primary and secondary. It's a very basic, that's the very basics that you need to play the game. Looks like there's more because you could scroll up and down, so be able to map our stuff when hopefully when the gun beta comes out soon.
Know your thoughts on that. While I did work on the animations, clothes, items, etc., I realized part of the character problem is that the stances need to be more active. Here you can see the current 3.0 style flat shotgun pose compared to a more aggressive angled stance.
So what we're looking at is that Nelson has a basic design for clothing here. There seems to be actual clothing with camouflage patterns on it. That's actually sick, something we didn't have in 3.0 unless it was a modded version of the game. And the new stance actually looks a lot better. Looks a lot more aggressive in my opinion. Like you're taking your stance about to shoot somebody instead of how did it look before. It's kind of, it's like, what am I holding, you know? I like that. I like that a lot better.
Pose compared to a more aggressive angled stance. I'll need to spend some more time practicing, refining the animations and rig to get this into a place I think we'll all like. Before closing, I'd like to add a heartfelt thank you for your support and interest in Unturned 2's development. While it may be slow and steady, I'm in this for the long run, and I'm glad you are too.
From what I've seen, Nelson's been working on a lot of mod support stuff for Unturned 2. Adding guns, adding clothing, working on the character models for the weapons, adding new UI for the weapon ammo. I really like that. That's probably my favorite thing that I saw in this devlog. The new UI for the ammo. Instead of having the amount, it just has like little pictures of bullets. I don't know, in my opinion, it adds a little bit more immersion to the game for me. I like that a lot. And yeah, I mean, that's it for the devlog. If any of you guys know what the part with the car is, I'm not sure if that's what it's going to look like in heat vision as he was talking about, or it's just how the model is. I'm not 100% sure, so if any of you guys know, leave a comment down below. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time for another video.